Party time with Luminance. Party time, Luminance. Oh, I loved this stuff last year. Some people considered this an acquired taste. The cards are certainly different than what we had seen before, with their matte look and the dark background, and I don't know if that's continued. I saw one picture of a base card and it looks kind of similar, but I gotta see the texture. They were non-glossy and I really liked them a lot. I hope this year looks similar. Normally I hope that Panini changes things up on some products. On this, I hope they do not. 3 autos, 1 mem, 10 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. So this is not going to take too long to open. The pack is basically the same size. They continued the on-card autographs and draft day signatures with color ink variations. Last year it had gold, bronze. I pulled some sweet autos last year. Not like crazy good, but pretty dang good, if I do recall correctly. I'll show you the odds in a minute. 5 parallels and 4 inserts. So let's do this. I'm excited. So there are the odds. Let's check those out for just a second. Base Luminance gold, blue, green, orange, red, pink, platinum, numbered from 275 down to 1. Rookies, same applies. Rookie ink is gold, blue, orange, red, pink, platinum, and those go from 349 down to 1. Illuminated ink, spotlight signatures, autographed jerseys, that would be nice. Jumbo materials, that was there last year. Vintage materials, I think that's new. Bright beginnings, flash, vintage performers, luminary, dynamic rookies, light speed, draft day signatures, and silver, gold, blue, and then it just says SP. On average, non-base cards are included in approximately every 3 packs. Okay, so there's that. Little Drew Brees on the front, very nice. I love this little box. This is sweet. Although I don't know about this symbol, it seems like some Illuminati stuff. Packs are white. That's sweet. Dadgummit, I did it again. Last year I did the same thing. I was saying there was 10 packs. It's not. It's 4 packs. 10 cards per pack. Last year I was saying that same crap and had to correct myself, and I just did it again. It's been a year though. Forgive me. Alright. So every pack is going to have a hit. Let's do it. Alright, here's the base card. They're similar. They're a little bit... They're very similar. I think it's the same font, but they look a little bit brighter than last year's. Last year's it was darker, I believe. Still like it though. It's different. It's very different than what you normally see. There's Bradley Chubb. Well, let's look at the back. I think the back's the same too. Basically the same. Jameis Winston. See if I can bypass the hit. Oh, well, I guess I did. But there's a the dynamic insert on Russell Wilson. And a DK Metcalf rookie. Nice photo there. Daniel Jones rookie. Stanley Morgan, Bryce Love, Jared Cook, a Hunter Renfrow parallel out of 49, green rookie parallel. And then we have Willie Galt out of 49. Wow. What does this say? Illuminate? Huh. Well, that's cool. That's really cool. And out of 49. I'll take that all day. That's nice. Cool. All right. There's Deshaun Watson, Tyler Lockett, Antonio Brown. Oh, Lightspeed, Tyreek Hill. That's cool. Look at that. Get it in the light. Yeah, that's sweet. Byron Murphy, rookie. Patrick Laird, rookie. Draymond Jones. Then we have Marshawn Lattimore, blue parallel out of 99. Oh, nice. Mahomes parallel out of 275 gold, I guess that is. That's sweet. And Kerryon Johnson jersey. So that's the one jersey card. And that is the, up there it says jumbo. So far so good. Assuming these last two will probably be rookie autographs. That's my guess. Alright, Kuechly, Mixon, Garoppolo, Kamara. Pull these up. So, Bruce Smith, vintage. So the vintage are, not black and white. What is this? Oh God, of course. I can't think of it. Give me a minute. Good Lord. Hakeem Butler, rookie. Ryan Finley, rookie. If anybody could complain about this, I'd say it's kind of tough to read the names. Benny Snell, rookie. That might be a reason why somebody might not like it. There is Paris Campbell, rookie bronze out of 100. And then Anton Wesley out of 349. So that is the highest number you can get on this. So definitely not a super short print there, but like I expected, a rookie autograph. Okay, last pack. Give me something good. Alex Smith, Von Miller, Landon Collins, Derek Carr. Oh, there's some Kyler Murray action out there. Hang on. Ed Oliver, rookie. AJ Brown, rookie. There's Kyler Murray, base rookie. But there he is again in parallel format out of 275. So that's a nice little card there. Oh my God, you kidding me? Jarrett Stidham out of 349. Good grief. And Dwayne Haskins, rookie. That is sweet. I like this card too. And I love how I don't know how they do that. It's like magic. But that looks really good. Those last two autographs, meh. But I did appreciate this one. Willie Galt. That's pretty cool. And as usual, I have two boxes. So I'm guessing in this case, box 2 is going to be better than box 1. But you'll have to stay tuned. Tune in tomorrow to find out on As the Cards Turn. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care of yourself. Hope you're having a great Friday and have a great weekend. I'll be back with you all again tomorrow.